Welcome back. This is John Locke, and today I'm talking about this article from Search Engine Land. Google now shows why it ranked a specific search result. And it talks about how Google will now show in some results, it will list several of the factors it used to rank a result in the About This Result section. So this is an expansion to the About This Result box that launched in February 2021. Google search can show the terms that match on the web page in your query, including the terms that were related but not direct matches. And it will also list if it was linked from other relevant websites that influence the rankings without telling you like what sites they are, but it'll say that it is being linked from other sites that have relevance. And if the results have related images, if there's geographical results, and none of this is really new to you. I mean, if you've been watching this channel for a while, we've been kind of talking about some of these things for a bit. But here's what it looks like. They show a, this is with the vaccine. It says the source is the Vermont Department of Health. It is a HTTPS, so they're showing that. The terms, the words get the shot, get the and the shot, get the and shot are all within the result. Terms related to the search appear in there, getting vaccine. So these are alternate ways that you would search for that. Where can I get the shot? Where can I get the vaccine? Results in English. So if this person is searching from a device that is normally set to English. Other websites with the search terms like this link to the results. So other websites that have those terms that are discussing the shots, the vaccine, the COVID vaccine, they're linking to this site. And this result is relevant for searches in Vermont. So obviously, if you're searching for Vermont, from Vermont, then that would show up. So these are all basic things. Google's trying to guide you, give you some clues. I mean, the biggest thing to realize here, keywords and related keywords, words that are kind of synonymous with each other, that express the same intent, are in the page. But the big thing is that sticks out to me is they're kind of reinforcing this thing that is already known. I mean, they're not going to tell you things that give away too much of the secret sauce, but they're basically telling you, that other websites with these search terms in them, the other words, sites that have these keywords and that discuss these topics are linking to your site. That is going to be important. So it says that right here. So, and again, it gives you a few clues, but it's trying to guide people with things. These things are already known. They're basically common knowledge, but they're basically telling you some things that give you some guidance and tell you why it's ranking there. And they're not going to tell you like every single reason. I mean, there's many other reasons why specific pages and specific sites end up in the top results. But let's look at one more. This is about, what are they searching here? Okay, so this is another example that they're using. It's something about running shoes, and this is available in about 10% of the U.S.-based queries right now. So if you're not seeing it, it's not rolled out universally. This is for 10% of the U.S.-based queries. So Runner's World. For this, I think they were Googling running shoes. And again, an example where it says Runner's World is a globally circulated magazine. And this is from Wikipedia saying what the site is. Obviously, that's interesting. The site is prominent enough to have a Wikipedia article, but they could just as easily take this information from your own website as well. And then there's terms in here. They say, hey, if you want to have a term not appear in your search, if you put the minus sign next to a word, it's going to look for a page without those words in it. So But terms that were relevant to this particular search were running, shoe, and shoe. It's weird that they break those into 3 different things, but it has images related to your search. Maybe they have a way to identify what's in images. I would imagine so, since a lot of these sites have image recognition. It would make sense, as well as the file being named that, but I think they can do image recognition to a somewhat degree. Other websites link to this result that have those search terms. It's in English, and it result seems relevant for searches from many regions, including the United States. So you should be able to order shoes from the United States and get it delivered to your location that it thinks your device is at. So this is an interesting feature. Hopefully this will help some people become more adept at SEO and be able to do some of the basic things. And again, these are things that are common knowledge. They're not going to give you too many hidden details about it, but I thought it was interesting. My name is John Locke. My business is Lockdown Design and SEO. I'm here on a regular basis putting out videos. If there's a topic that you would like us to address, or a question that you would like us to answer, go ahead and leave that in the comments below. We'll answer it to the best of our ability. And that's all I got for now. Until next time, peace.